Judge recognizes childhood friend on trial. What happens next will shock everyone. It was a routine Tuesday morning in Judge Emily Parker's courtroom, or so she thought. The docket was packed with arraignments, and she was moving through them swiftly until the next case was called. Case 4382, State versus Marcus Hill, the bailiff announced. As the defendant was led into the courtroom in handcuffs, Emily's eyes locked onto his face, and her heart dropped. The man standing before her wasn't just another case number. He was Marcus Hill, her childhood best friend. They'd grown up on the same street, shared summer vacations, and once even made a pact to always look out for each other. But life had taken them in very different directions. Emily pursued law school, eventually becoming one of the youngest judges in the state. Marcus had disappeared from her life after high school. Rumors had swirled, drugs, arrests, gangs, but she never imagined she'd see him again like this. Marcus looked up, his tired eyes meeting hers. Recognition flickered in them. "Your Honor," the defense attorney began, "Mr. Hill is accused of burglary and resisting arrest. However, we request leniency due to his clean record in the past decade and the extenuating circumstances he was trying to retrieve belongings from his former home after an illegal eviction." Emily maintained her composure, but internally she was reeling. She couldn't show bias, but she knew Marcus. He had a good heart. Life just hadn't given him the same breaks. The courtroom was silent as she reviewed the file, her mind racing with memories. The charges were serious, but the evidence painted a more nuanced picture. No property was damaged and no items were stolen. He had been trying to collect his late mother's belongings. After a long pause, Emily spoke. Given the circumstances and Mr. Hill's recent community service record and employment history, the court grants supervised probation instead of jail time with mandatory counseling and housing assistance. Gasps rippled through the courtroom. Some were shocked at the leniency, others moved by the fairness. As Marcus was let out, he turned and whispered, "Thank you, Em." Emily simply nodded, her face unreadable. But behind her stern expression was the silent weight of justice, mercy, and a friendship that time could not erase.